Good enough vatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast, yet again, San Jose, California. We are now recording this video again because GoPro just can't get the audio. I don't know, there's just seems to be always a problem. All the content that I recorded this day has zero audio. There's no audio at all, and it just sucks because I mean, this is footage that I was planning on editing and using, but now we're redoing this again for the second time. So anyways, let's just talk about the flashing of the cruise control. You know, based on the comments from my other video, people were just saying, hey, you know what's the point of even doing this or installing it yourself when you still have to take it to the dealer? Two things: you could save some money and you could save some money. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what the actual cost is to get this installed and flashed. For, you know, based on my own experience, typically you have to pay an hour labor rate for some type of work. So we don't know if it's 1 hour or 2 hours to get this installed. Plus, they might still charge you that half an hour for the flash of the cruise control. So this is just something that I'm saying right here in this video, that they're charging me half an hour, and based off of, you know, my location. Like I said, this depends on everybody's location, what your dealer charges or their hourly rate. So you guys already know I paid $80 to get this installed, or to get this flashed and activated. So that's pretty much it. This is just me talking a few other details and mentioning some other stuff that I have already forgotten. Like I said, I don't script anything in my videos. I don't do any of that, so I don't know what exactly I was saying in this part. But I think something in regards of, oh, that's right, on the forums, some people were mentioning that they got this flashed for free. Some people paid 1 hour. It just depends on your dealer. You know, it just depends. I know there's a few people out there that paid like $40, but their labor rate is probably like $80 in their area. So it just depends on the area. I also recorded some footage on the way over there, so, you know, I guess I wanted to just make this little montage of me riding to Morgan Hill and then riding back. And of course, I also have the video of, you know, talking about the cruise control and how it works and all that stuff. So I guess we're gonna have to keep on doing this voiceover. Yeah, stay tuned. After the montage, we'll talk about the cruise control. So anyways, this is me returning back to San Jose from my trip, and I was just thanking everybody at House of Thunder. Jonah, of course, he helped me out. He was a service writer for the transaction or for the flashing of the cruise control. And I was just talking about how I enjoyed having that little bit of a break in between Morgan Hill and over here in San Jose. It was just nice being able to give my right hand a little bit of a rest, because I typically use it a lot at home and during restroom breaks and other things. Anyways, it was a great overall experience over there. Thank them. I was there for about an hour. This is just stuff that I'm saying in this video. I spoke to Billy, I spoke to Armando. These were other customers that were there looking at bikes. We just spoke about bikes, and I have footage of that too, but now this is ruined, I guess, because there's no audio, so I'm gonna have to do another voiceover for those videos. It just sucks. But anyways, I was just thanking them for the overall experience. Like I said, I was there for an hour. It took, I don't know, it took somewhere, I think it took them maybe about I'd say I don't think it took them half an hour, but I mean, they took it out for a test ride. I saw my bike leave, so they had it out for a couple minutes. Overall, I was just there talking to some of the employees and having a good time. It was a great overall day, and that 1 hour flew by quick. It was super quick. So there it is. I'm just showing you guys how it works. It works just like your vehicle. If you guys have cruise control in your vehicle, you guys know that you would have to turn it on, and then you set it by pushing down, and then you increase your RPMs up on top, or you resume it by pushing up. It works the same way. I mean, it's good, and there's a little indicator on your gauges. You don't have to be guessing if it's on or off or anything, and it turns green when it's activated. It works around town too. And this is where I was just telling you guys, other ways to deactivate it or to turn it off is to pull your brake. It's linked to your brake light, I think, to your sensor, so that's how it kind of shuts off. Or you could actually just push the button in, and it turns off and it deactivates. So those are just that's just how it works. So it's a easy explanation. It's just like your automobile. It's works the same way. You tap on the brake and the cruise control deactivates, or you could actually just push the little button on your steering wheel and it deactivates. And I was also doing some shout outs too as well. I remember one of the employees was a fan of the channel, so I can't remember your name, and I apologize, but thank you for the kind words, and thank you for just greeting me, I guess, for making the whole experience that much pleasant. Thanks for coming out, and thank you for showing your support. Much appreciated. Go ahead and leave if you're watching the video, just leave a comment down below and let me know it's you. That way I could I guess remember your name or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, thank you again. Thank you guys for all the support. And thank you for tuning in to yet another video. You guys, just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.